Hello, in front of me I've got Jedi Survivor. In this video I'll show you how to change stances. In the beginning, you have to find workbench. There are multiple workbench in the whole world of the game. Go to the workbench
Change your style.
and select stances. Now you can select single stance, double bladed, and further in the game you can also select 2 lightsabers. Select space or confirm by using controller to enter stance mode, and now you can select between dual wield, double bladed and single. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.